Hey guys, it's Kai and welcome back to another Roblox video. And today I'm going to be playing Flood Escape with my friend. She doesn't know I'm filming. I'm just gonna join her. So yeah, but I haven't played Flood Escape in a little bit. So yeah, hopefully I'm still good at it. Whoopsie, her thing is full. Um, well, maybe I'll just wait. Oh, I'm going in. Okay. Hopefully she didn't leave. Yeah, she's still. Okay. It's loading. Just keep loading, just keep loading. Look how much it just went down. Okay, there we go. Let's play. Oh, I hit over so slow. I went in here, I went in here, I went in here. Yes. Right when it started. Yeah. Okay. Oh, no, I don't like this one. Oh, I do, like, they're all hard. How do I... Oh, I didn't see where to jump at. Oh, oh, no, 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 no. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. How did I die? Don't like this. I don't care about that. Just gonna go in here and wait. Actually, I'm gonna leave and then just see which one's ready first. I'm just gonna go here and then watch them. See which one's left first. And yeah. And go explore. Whoa. Wait, I've never. Let's do training. I know. What's over here? Whoa. Code cracker. Code cracker is easy. Reaction. Oh god. Oh, you have to stay in them when. Okay. Ready? Oh, I go up here too. Okay. Let it open up. Thank you. What? No, this is not where I was. Oh yeah, the stairs are there. So yeah. I'm gonna go see if any of them are ready yet. They want me up. Where? Clearly. Gotta wait. Oh, okay. There's only one player left. So wait though. Just in case. That one has one player too, the hard, but I don't really want to play hard because I haven't played this in a while. Yeah. Oh, yeah. And these. Okay. You can also climb these. Have fun. Everyone's just climbing now because I climbed it. Get it in. The dude fell. Oh no, he didn't. He just walked down. Please open. Please. Girl. Oh wait, there you go. How do we, oh, you go over here, and here, there we go. It's not turning either. Go up, down there. Oh, it's rising fast. Like really fast. Oh, if I can get up. And if you hear background noises, it's my guinea pigs being annoying, so yeah. Okay, I'm in. Please open up. Open up, we're all in here. Okay, good. Okay, I got that one. Okay, go over here. No one's touched this one yet, it's weird. Okay, let it go faster. Oh goodness, the water's gonna catch up to us before you even get to the top. Oh, no, it's not. Okay, good. The water's going slow on this one. So is it only us? It's only us two left. Oh, this is easy. This is easy, this is easy, this is easy. Oh, this, okay, okay. I'm waiting for the water to come. Wait. Okay, there you go. I made it. I made it. Okay, so I'm gonna go over here. I have escaped 6 times. That is nice. Get in here. It's all the same people as last time. That's really. Um, oh, wait, what's this one? Gotta get up here. Go this way. Get that one. Go this way. Go here, I think. Now up here. Up here. Now we gotta go up here. I haven't seen my friend at all yet. Oh, I'm the first person in here. There's 4 out of 6 players left. 2 people already died. Please open. My goodness, people come in here. Finally, okay, jeez. One more person, please. One more, just one more. Come on, girl. Oh, I think they died. Yeah, they died. Okay, gotta get up here. Up here. Up here, it'll fall, right? No. Okay. Can we go up here now? Gotta go over here. Please don't fall, or please don't. No, gotta go fast, gotta go fast, gotta go fast. This way. It's only me and this other girl. It was the same last time, I think. No, it wasn't. Okay, wait. How do I get out? We gotta go up there, here. Up, up. The water's coming. No, 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 no. Get down, girl, get down. I'll go up here. Come on, girl. Oh, she fell. I thought I'd do it on my own. Okay. The last one's on my own. Oh, find the code. Okay, this one's easy. Kind of. Oh, that one's done. This one. Oh, this. Okay, I win. I was literally the only person left and I won. I've won 7 times now. So, like, yeah. I'm proud of myself. Let's play again. Oh gosh, what happened there? It's literally the same people every time, but we're missing one this time. Okay, I got it. Perfect. Perfect. Oh, one person's coming. Yes, they got it. Okay, let's go. Gotta get up here. Gotta get up here. Gotta get up here. Oh, no, so shooting up. Oh, I gotta go this way. Oh, that falls, I think. Oh, no, no. No, 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 no. Nosy nose nose. Is my friend even still playing? Let's find. She is not. Well, that sucks. I have a feeling I'm going to be playing hard next because that's only one player life. My favorite's are easy and medium. I can do hard sometimes, but not this time. I'm going to play one more round and then. I love my little cow outfit. And then I want to go in this one. Or that one. Whatever one goes first. Whatever these go first, I'm good with it. I'm feeling it's going to be this one. Oh, yeah, did it. Don't just do this one because the other one easy sometimes is too easy. So I'm gonna do this one. There's only 3 people, but like, who cares? Mention. Okay. Ah! He knocked me down. Where'd I go? No, I died. Medium's too hard. Okay, I'm gonna go for 1. If it's open. No, 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 no. Ah. Oh, yes. So, where the oh, this is it. No! Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to smash the like button, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!